the rainy season. This is like really dirty and ugly. I'm just trying to clean this and give it a good look. I just made this because the parrots are quite big. They can sit here and eat the feed, bird food here. Originally it was like this, and parrots can't really, big birds can't sit on here and eat. It's very difficult. But when I put this, small birds can sit on it and eat. Why I fixed this plate here? Because they used to take all the feed out and it will always keep dropping. So I fixed the lid on this, because whatever the feed drops in, it drops in here and still they can eat.
I'm feeding red rice. Bird feeders are like nuts and stuff are too expensive. So I'm feeding only rice. Cost less than $1 per kilo.